स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manua. Today in this video we'll talk about the top colleges in Mumbai which accept the Maharashtra B.Ed CET score, that is the Maharashtra Bachelor of Education's Common Entrance Test, which is conducted by CET cell of Maharashtra government, through which you can pursue the Bachelor of Education degree in various Maharashtra based colleges. So friends, let's have a tour of top 10 colleges in Mumbai. And friends, to prepare for the Maharashtra B.Ed CET, you can join our online program. So call or WhatsApp on these number, or you can simply visit at manuaedu.com. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So let's move to the main topic. So the first college is Bombay's Teacher Training College, a premier college of education which is established in 1969 by Hyderabad Sindh National Collegiate Board. It is one of the largest educational corpus in Mumbai and Thane district, located in South Mumbai, that is Kolaba, Mumbai. And this college has been accredited thrice with an A grade in 2004, 11 and 16. And friends, it's ranked among the top education institute in country, and it offers the teachers preparation program for various levels ranging from elementary childhood program, diploma in elementary education and the bachelor of education program. And it is also a center for Doctor of Philosophy in Education of University of Mumbai. And the college has the seat intake of 50, and this is the Mumbai University. And as you know, it is one of the oldest and premier university in India, which established in 1857, and it is located in the Fort Mumbai, and it has the seat intake of 100. And it also offers the Bachelor of Education specialities in learning disabilities, autism spectrum disorders, B.Ed in mental retardation, B.Ed general and B.Ed in physical education. So let's move to the third one, and it is the K.J. Somaiya Comprehensive College of Education, Training and Research, which is established in 1990, and today it is one of the top ranked college in India, accredited with A grade by NAC. It is located at Vidya Vihar, Mumbai, and it is also the very first college of education in entire Maharashtra to get the autonomous status. And this college has the seat intake of 100. And friends, why this college? Because this college has the great infrastructure, the great facilities, and after the course it will leads to the great opportunities, as this college has the great record of placement. So let's move further. The one of the leader in integration of teaching, learning and research, and that is nothing but the Thakur Shyam Narayan College of Education and Research, which is established in 2006 and managed by Thakur Education Trust, and it is located at Kandivali, Mumbai, and it has the seat intake of 100. Let's see next one, and that is the Chembur Sarvankash Shikshan Shastra Mahavidyalaya, and this institute established by Chembur Education Societies in 1970, which is located at Chembur, Mumbai, and it is accredited as A grade twice by NAC in 2004 and 11. It has the seat intake of 50, and it's become a vibrant center for teacher education and the lead college of University of Mumbai. Let's see the next one, and it is the Gandhi Shikshan Bhavan Srimati Surabja College of Education, which is established in 1969, one of the premier institutes of education in Mumbai, which is located at Juhu, Mumbai, and it has the seat intake of 80. The next one is Hansraj Jivandas College of Education. It is one of the pioneer education institutes in Mumbai and Maharashtra, which is located at Khar, Mumbai, which is established in 1969, and it is one of the institute which is accredited as A plus grade by NAC, and this institute has the seat intake of 100. The next one is the Aishabai College of Education, which is established in 2005, and it is affiliated to SNDT Women's University, which is located at Baikalla, Mumbai, and this college has the seat intake of 100, and this institute is exclusively for women's. The next one is Guru Nanak College of Education and Research, which is established in 1990, and it is affiliated to Mumbai University, located at Bhandup, Mumbai, and this college has the seat intake of 100, and this institute has been accredited by A grade in 2017. Let's move further, and the last one is Mahatma Education Society's Pillai College of Education and Research, which is established in 1970, located at Chembur Naka, Mumbai. This college has the seat intake of 100, and it is accredited with A grade by NAC in 2011. And if you are Mumbai based and wanna pursue the Bachelor of Education degree, then friends, आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. These are the top 10 best institute in Mumbai, which all provides the quality education since their perception. So friends, focus on Maharashtra B.Ed CET and target all these institute. And to crack Maharashtra B.Ed CET, join Manwa online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course. And here you can also interact live with us where you will get all this stuff as complimentary. So call or WhatsApp on 8828581455 or you can simply visit at manwaedu.com. And this link I also mention in the description, so kindly check the description. So hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will get all updates regarding Maharashtra B.Ed CET. And if you have any doubts and queries, then you can ask me in the below comment section. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.